we got this awesome aquarium light. Let's do it. We have this AQQA Aquarium bracket light. Now this is awesome. Unboxing this was fun. You get quite a little bit of things out of the box. The first thing you get out of the box, you get your aquarium light, you get your brackets, you get your power supply, and you get your manual. The manual is going to be important to learn some of the functions of this aquarium light. The build quality of this light is nice and sturdy, which is awesome. Now what I really did love about this aquarium light is that it was very easy to install. Just insert your brackets, put them on your aquarium, and they can extend. Now they have different versions of this. I have the 18 watt, so this goes from 18 to 27 inches, but you can find the correct size that fits for your aquarium. And what is cool about this aquarium light is that it has a built-in timer, which I really do love. And you got 3 modes for the timer, or 3 limps per se for the timer. You have your 5-hour, your 10-hour, and you have your 12-hour function, which is awesome. That way you don't have to always worry about manually setting or turning on and off your aquarium lights. That is a big plus. So this aquarium light comes with a couple different lighting modes, which is awesome. So right now this is on the full spectrum lighting mode. You can switch it, and now you can go to the color LED lighting mode with the color LEDs like red, blue, and green. And then you can switch it to nothing but the white LED lights, which is awesome. And then you can just switch it off with another click of the button, and then you can just turn it back on. Now this does have a memory function to keep your aquarium lighting where you want it, but I do love it. You can control the brightness all the way from 10% brightness all the way to 100 brightness, and it will flash once to let you know it's at full power like that, and that is your aquarium light. Overall, I enjoyed using this, testing this out. Definitely going to be using it a lot more. I love the lighting functions, and really what sold me was the built-in light schedule, because nothing is worse than having to manually turn on and off your lights every day. So I do love the built-in timer, because you can have a consistent light schedule, which is important. But either way, guys, I enjoyed this light. I would definitely recommend it. It is awesome, and happy fish keeping.